Number 1.
1982 Ford F-250, price $10,000, it been driven just 19,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a blue interior, this gasoline-powered classic pickup is powered by a dependable 351 V8 engine paired with a two-wheel drive, 2WD, drivetrain. The truck runs and drives well, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. It has been garage-kept throughout its life, which has helped preserve its overall condition and contributed to its well-maintained appearance. The truck remains rust-free and retains its original character, making it an appealing option for collectors and classic truck enthusiasts alike. Its body is straight, the paint is clean, and the interior has been exceptionally well cared for, showing very little wear for its age. A factory radio is also included, adding to its original appeal. With its low mileage, clean presentation, and well-preserved condition, this 1982 Ford F-250 is a solid example of a classic pickup that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.
Number 2.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $4,950. It has been driven approximately 181,000 miles and is equipped with a 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a gray interior, this capable pickup also features a 5-speed 4WD drivetrain. The vehicle runs and drives great, with a strong performing engine and a clutch that remains in good condition. Its four-wheel drive system functions properly, providing dependable traction when needed. Overall, this Ford Ranger has been well maintained and offers a solid combination of reliability, practicality, and performance, making it a great truck for work, recreation, or everyday use.
Number 3.
1994 Chevrolet S10, price $5,799. It has been driven approximately 122,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable 2.2-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in gray with a matching gray interior. It comes with a clean title and includes 2 years of emissions certification, giving the next owner added peace of mind. The truck has been well cared for, starts easily, and runs and drives smoothly. Inside, the cabin is clean and well maintained. The air conditioning blows ice cold, providing excellent comfort during warmer weather, while the manual transmission delivers an engaging driving experience. This truck is a practical and well-preserved pickup that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.
Number 4.
2000 GMC 1500, price $10,000. It has been driven approximately 165,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a blue interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 engine paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. The truck has been tastefully upgraded with a Transgo Junior shift kit, a new Y-pipe, high-flow catalytic converters, a thrush muffler, and a short ram intake, providing improved performance while maintaining excellent drivability. The suspension has been lowered using a Beltec lowering kit with Beltec shocks and a bolt-in C-notch, giving the truck a clean, aggressive stance.
Exterior enhancements include a Tahoe front lip,
yellow fog lights, clear headlights, clear taillights, and 22-inch Escalade wheels. Inside, the seats have been professionally reupholstered, complemented by new carpeting and an Escalade instrument cluster for a refreshed interior. Additional features include cold air conditioning, hot heat, 5% window tint, and a roll-up bed cover.
Number 5.
1996 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500, powered by a dependable 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a simple and reliable driving experience. Finished in blue with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered compact pickup has been driven approximately 174,000 miles. It is equipped with roll-up windows, power locks, a durable plastic bedliner, and a brand new battery. Adding to its originality and collector appeal, the truck also includes its original window sticker. The truck runs and drives great, making it a practical choice for daily driving, light-duty hauling, or as a classic compact pickup to enjoy. The interior has been exceptionally well cared for and remains in excellent condition, with no rips, stains, or excessive wear, giving the cabin a remarkably clean appearance. The exterior also presents nicely, reflecting the overall care the truck has received throughout its life.
Number 6.
1997 Ford F-250, price $4,800. It has been driven approximately 174,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is powered by a dependable 5.8L EFI V8 engine and features a two-wheel drive drivetrain. It comes with a clean title in hand and recently passed its smog inspection on July 6, 2027. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, delivering strong performance with no major mechanical issues. This F-250 is equipped with dual fuel tanks fitted with brand new fuel pumps for added convenience and dependability. It also features newer tires, comfortable seating for up to 6 passengers, and a bed liner to help protect the cargo area. Whether used as a dependable daily driver, a work truck, or for towing and hauling, this well-maintained pickup offers the versatility and durability that the Ford F-250 is known for.
Number 7.
1997 Nissan pickup, price $6,900. It has been driven approximately 130,000 miles and features a white exterior with a gray interior. Powered by a reliable 2.4-liter gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, it runs and drives excellently. The truck retains its factory stripes, comes with a clean Oregon title, and has been well maintained with regular oil changes every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, equipped with air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, manual windows, and manual door locks. This well-kept Nissan pickup offers dependable performance and is ready for its next owner.
Number 8.
1983 Toyota pickup, price $9,000, finished in a bright yellow exterior with a beige interior. Powered by a gasoline engine, this classic truck comes with a clean California title and current registration valid through September 2026. With 137,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and remains a practical, dependable choice for everyday driving. The truck runs smoothly and has recently been fitted with new front brakes and rotors, adding to its reliable performance.
Renowned for its fuel efficiency and long-lasting durability, this Toyota pickup is an excellent daily driver that has the potential to provide many more years of dependable service. Its solid condition, low mileage for its age, and reputation for reliability make it an attractive option for its next owner. Number 9.
1987 Ford F-250, price $7,000. It has been driven approximately 123,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and a reliable 6.9L IDI diesel engine. The truck runs and drives well, has cold air conditioning. It has received extensive maintenance, including a completely rebuilt fuel system, new brakes, an AC compressor, window motors, LED roof lights, mirrors, wiper motor, radio, and speakers. The headliner has been removed for the installation of new roof lights. The carpet could use cleaning or replacement, and there are small rust spots in the door jambs and on the back of the cab. The tow receiver and spare tire will be reinstalled after the recent fuel tank replacement, making this a solid classic diesel pickup with many new parts already installed.
Number 10.
1999 Ford F-150, price $4,200. It has been driven 232,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is powered by a dependable 4.2L V6 engine. It has been tastefully modified with a 4.6 lowering kit, a C-notched frame, 22x 9.5-inch wheels, a dual-side exit Flowmaster 40 exhaust, and a double DAN radio with Apple CarPlay. The truck runs and drives well, with the AC, heater, and cruise control all functioning properly. It also features a new wiper switch and shifter. The ABS warning light is on due to a damaged rear axle sensor plug from the lowering kit installation, and the odometer display may work intermittently.